Hey there, in this video, I'll show you exactly why your digital planner links don't work in Goodnotes and how to fix it. So you imported your digital planner into Goodnotes, tap the month tabs or dates, and nothing happened. You might think the planner is broken, but it's not. Here's how hyperlinks work in Goodnotes. If you are using your Apple Pencil to navigate, you need to turn on read-only mode. Tap the read-only icon at the top right. Now you are in read mode. When you want to write again, just tap it to switch back to the edit mode. Another way to make hyperlinks work is to use your finger to tap the links. That works whether you are in read mode or edit mode. Now, what if the hyperlinks still don't work even when you are doing this correctly? First, make sure your planner was fully imported into Goodnotes. If it was only partially imported, meaning some pages are missing, you'll notice that some links work and some don't. Here's how to check. Open the planner in the Files app and look at the total page number. Then go back to your planner in Goodnotes, tap the three dots at the top right, and check the total page number there. If the numbers don't match, delete the planner and import it again. Make sure the total page count matches. If the planner is fully imported but the links still don't work, here are a few more things to try. Make sure your Goodnotes app is up to date. Make sure your iPad system is up to date. Force quit Goodnotes and reopen it. Or restart your iPad and then open Goodnotes again. Most of the time, it's one of these. If your links still don't work after all this, leave a comment and let me know what's happening. And if you like practical Goodnotes tips like this, make sure you subscribe.